So I'm waiting to get on the plane here at Baden Baden. I said, look, I need to get into the toilet before I get on. Is there a toilet on the plane? He said, don't worry, sir, there's a toilet on the plane, only it's an old plane, so it's an outdoor toilet. I said, who is going to be flying the planes? Oh, we've got a lovely captain, sir, Mr. O'Leary. He's got a very nice dog. Would you like to meet him? I said, well, I'd love to meet him. Anyways, this gentleman comes up, the pilot, and he's got dark glasses, a white stick, and a guide dog. I said, as we got talking, and I didn't want to say anything, but I said, do you have a problem with your eyesight? He said, sir, I'm blind. But he said, there's no reason to worry about anything because it's all automated, autopilot, the lot, so there's nothing to worry about whatsoever. I said, what about takeoff? He said, there's no problem there because I've got very good hearing, and when we start going forward, I know that it's the time to pull the lever to take off because the screaming starts at the back and they all start screaming, we're all going to die. Anyway, I want to get on now.